Hey there. So this is day 13 of the 30-day art challenge. I'm almost halfway there. But today is office supplies. To create a piece of artwork with the office supplies that I have on hand. If you think about it, I'm an artist, so I've probably got everything but the kitchen sink. And I do mean everything but the kitchen sink. But I'm just going to use the things that typically would be in an office, I guess. I've got toothpicks and pens and chalk and glue and Elmer's glue and rubber cement, staple guns, glitter, highlighters. Oh, I forgot my pink highlighter. I've got bubble wrap on the floor. I've got construction paper. I've got copy paper. I've got notebook paper, a pad. I've got post-it notes, razor knife, scissors, pencils, pens, rubber bands, plastic silverware, napkins, paper towels, I said that, tape, painter's tape. There's so much more that I could add into this that I would keep around a normal office. But I'm going to try to limit it to this because already it's very overwhelming. So I cut out a piece of cardboard, about 16 by 19, something like that. I didn't even measure, I just cut. But I'm supposed to be creative with office supplies, so this is what I'm going to work with. I was just trying to figure out, you know me, I love color. And I know there's a lot of people that don't keep construction paper in their office, but if you're an artist, you do. So I just want to see what I can create here with a paper towel here real quick. Yeah, I could do that because, you know, I'm a flower girl. So what I'm going to do is line up 3 paper towels, fold it in half, loosely roll up a paper towel, and since I don't need it to be so thick, what I'll do is cut off about half of it. So right there is a nice little rose. And what I'll do is I'll get it rolled back up a little bit and tape it. So you can get creative with your buds. Let's try. How about we just go ahead and cut it in half. Let's let it loosen up a little bit. It's kind of tight. I've got to figure out a way to make this center. Got to make the center stay on this one. It's wanting to move. So I'll tape the inside. So I'm not going to talk, so I can just create, because then I have to edit out all the talking in between the areas that are silent. So we're just going to do it this way. I used to love rubber cement when I was a kid. They still make it. The great thing about rubber cement is it rolls right off your fingers when it dries. This completes my day 13 challenge to make a piece of art with office supplies. So I used cardboard, bubble wrap, construction paper, copier paper, paper towels, markers, hot glue gun, rubber bands, toothpicks, staples, permanent marker, rubber cement. I think those were all the items I used. So here is my funky flower garden, because I do love me some flowers. So there's texture and color and craziness going on, and I love it. Got my grass sticking out, and also here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the sunshine coming in earlier, and you may have not been able to see as well with all the sun streaking in across it, but I made my little planter for my flowers and everything. So I like my little office supply piece of artwork. I think it's kind of cool. So that's day 13. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and click on the bell down in the bottom right if you want to get notifications when I post new videos, and I will see you next time. Thank you.